Another person we have in common is Queen Latifah.
The best.
I mean, that's my pal.
Better than them both.
I mean, better than both. She's unbelievable. Yeah.
Absolutely.
What's your connection with Latifah?
When I was a kid, reading was difficult. It wasn't something I was interested in.
Yeah.
And so the way that I sort of got around it and the way that I discovered my love for language is I would go to the store and I'd buy rap cassette tapes.
Yeah.
And I would come home and I would open them up and I would read the liner notes. And the liner notes, the lyrics were all printed there.
Yeah.
And when you read the lyrics, you realize just how much hip-hop really is poetry. And the first cassette tape I ever bought was Queen Latifah's Black Rain. It changed my world.